What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Bose 700 noise cancelling headphones. Now, before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. The first step to resetting your Bose 700 headphones is to completely erase the headphone from the Bose Music app. To do that, you're going to tap on the top left icon here. And then when you come to this menu, you're going to press on the top right where it shows like a person type of icon. And once you tap on that, you're going to go to Manage Products right here. And then you're going to press Edit in the top right. And you're going to tap on the headphones, and then you're going to press Delete. Once you deleted the Bose headphones from the Bose Music app, you are now ready to reset the headphone. Now, to do that, you're going to find your Bluetooth button that has the Bluetooth icon logo next to it. And once you do, you're going to hold it down. But before you begin holding it down, just know that you're going to have to plug in your USB-C cable while you're holding down the button until you see two LED flashes that are going to occur. So what I do is just simply plug in the USB-C, but not all the way. And then I begin holding down the button and then do that. And as you can see, it blinked twice very quickly, and I just let go of the button, and you can now disconnect the headphone. And that means it's been reset and you're all ready to go. So this was my video on how to reset your Bose 700 headphones. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.